Hey everybody, this week we're going to strengthen the lower traps as I demonstrate how to perform the Trap 3 raise. To set up for this exercise, we're going to get down in the tabletop position with our knees over our hips and our wrists under our shoulders. While maintaining a neutral spine, we're going to lift the working arm up off the floor. We'll start by sliding the scapula down and then raising the arm up and forward for a hold at the top and then slowly returning down towards the floor. Try not to shrug when initiating this movement. This will put too much stress at the upper traps and in the neck and won't target the scapula depressors properly. So to effectively target the lower third portion of the trapezius muscle, work on scapula depression, not retraction. And when raising the arm up, be sure to keep the elbow rotated in with the thumb up. This will ensure that we're properly moving the scapula through upward rotation as we raise the arm up. This exercise works best to strengthen the lower third portion of the trapezius muscle, which will help create strength and stability throughout the shoulder joint and promote a stronger and more upright posture.